Hi, my name is Michael, and today's topic: what are the basic materials that you need to make origami? But first, let's talk about what is origami. Origami is a Japanese art of folding papers into a decorative figures or shapes. So here are the basic materials that you can use to make origami inside your house. So first is the scissors, glue, white tape, or if you have any transparent tape or any kinds of tape, that will do, a permanent marker, pencil, or a pen, rulers, can be a metallic ruler or a wooden ruler, lastly, papers. Alright, so that's it for today. So please like, share, and subscribe on my video so that you won't miss any information. So in the next video, that will be very exciting. So see you guys.